Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to know if your PayPal account is verified. So first thing you're going to need to do is log into your PayPal account. You can use either the app or the website. It works the same. So once you're logged in, just go to your account settings by clicking on the gear icon at the top, which is this one. Just click on this. Alright, so actually, there will be no signs of your account being verified. PayPal doesn't put verified badge on people or users that are verified. So you can verify that your account is verified if you have all these information right here, like you've linked your account to a bank, you have put your ID and all, like your address, your contact number, your email, and everything that people are asking you to put on your account. And if you have all these information, then you have your answer that your account is verified. And that's basically it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!